If you just logged into your Wise account only to find a message saying they are reviewing your profile, your first instinct is probably to panic and wonder where your money went. I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate this process so you can get your funds moving again without the stress. Make sure you stick around until the very end because I have a specific strategy that helps you avoid these reviews entirely in the future, saving you from having your cash locked up when you need it most. Wise is not a traditional bank. They are an electronic money institution, which means they have to follow very strict rules to keep everyone safe. Think of them like a high-security transit hub for your money. They review accounts to make sure everything is secure, compliant with the law, and that people are using the platform correctly. This process is actually designed to protect your funds while meeting legal requirements. They constantly run routine checks for things like unusual activity, verifying who you are, or making sure your address is correct. Sometimes they just need to validate where your money is coming from to keep the regulators happy. When you see a review, the first thing you need to do is check your notifications or email for a specific document request. Usually, Wise wants to see a clear photo of your ID or a recent utility bill to confirm your identity. Next, make sure you respond as fast as possible. Most account restrictions are just temporary holds while they wait for you to send over the right paperwork. Now, simply upload the requested files through their secure portal. If you are moving a lot of money, like tens of thousands of pounds, they might ask for extra proof of where that money came from because of anti-money laundering rules. These rules exist because Wise has to keep your money separate from their own business cash. Just provide the bank statements or pay stubs they ask for and wait for their team to take a look. If you ignore these requests or have multiple accounts under different emails, you risk a permanent closure. So stay organized and honest. If you work in industries like crypto or gambling, you should expect even more scrutiny because these are flagged as high-risk sectors. To get through this, keep your documentation ready before you even start the transfer. Most users find that their issues are resolved quickly as long as they provide the proofs promptly. Here is the pro tip I promised: to keep your account in the clear. Wise is built for sending money across borders, not for holding on to it like a long-term savings account. If you keep large balances sitting in your account for months, you are much more likely to trigger a deep dive into your finances. To avoid this, use Wise for its main purpose. Move your money in, convert it, and send it out to its destination immediately. This keeps your profile low risk and keeps the automated flags from stopping your transfers. Now that you know how to handle a review, you should look into how to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your profile.